But continuing from our last video, we will be installing the Samba server. That's first thing we're gonna again SSH into Pi, and I'm gonna run an update again just to make sure that we are all the libraries are up to date. Apps update, and we want to do sudo apps upgrade. Let run. This should be a short video, so next we will be installing Samba. If you want to know how to get the quick reference for all of this, just press the tab button and it will start showing you the options you've got. Right. Now we've got an option because our root folder is Pi. We can either log straight into this folder, or we can have a separate folder. Now I know when we're going to start writing the program, I would like a folder specifically for that program. So I'm going to create a folder for farm CCTV. Then I'm going to edit using nano again. The Samba config file. So we will go all the way down to the bottom. I'm just going to copy paste in there what I want in there. So that didn't go as planned. Right. Oops, create. Now some of you may say no, but I've got the wrong peripherals, and no, I actually do not. So I want to make it browseable. Only guest yes, writeable yes, and the reason for setting this up is to make it simple to log in and just do what I need to do. If you start using for different shares, I'll have a separate video for that. Then you start changing these settings for all the different shares you want. So you'll have different users. So you won't have this line, for instance. That should not be like that. That should actually be equal. That we make it full mask, full executable, and everything, which is also technically wrong, but it won't fail the system. It's browsable, and that's the path we're going to log into, and that is the name that you will see when you log in from, say, Windows. Let's make that all small cases in any case. Anyway, CCTV, simply because Linux is case sensitive. We keep it like that and we exit and we save it. Next, we need to add the password. So sudo smbd password. So where is sets password, and we want to add we want to add pi to this list, and we'll ask you for a password, and we'll ask you again for a password. Then we need to restart the service, so that will be done by using sudo. We want to go into the system, and that system control C control, yeah, and we'll restart it. So there's a restart option. Again, I just pressed the tab button. I want to start the Samba services, smbd service. Okay. Then just quickly hostname. I just want to see what the hostname is. Pi26.01. So if I then use let's say pi, let's say 26010.1. So pi is my password, pi is my username and my password, and they will see I'll come a bit bigger. Okay. Farm CCTV, but you will also see pi there. That pi you can remove. I'll go into the code again. So if you go in there, there's nothing. If you go back to pi, there's the folder we were working in. It's actually this same folder. And to remove that, not mistaken, let's go back into config file. And I think there's a home somewhere that you need to remove. Oh, so if you remove this home, block the whole section out. I'm not going to block it out because I actually want to need it. So you block this whole section out, then that home folder disappears. And that's it. So I should be able, let's see if it's going to work. Good there. There it works. So we go in this side saying cd from, look, there it sits. Right, so got this working. So one of the changes I need to make is when you create your form, your folder, that's what I forgot to do actually. So when I create a folder, I need to right, so there you have it. So we can add my new document, and it's on. So when I log in, and if I go into my Pi SSH, there's change my new document. So this is now on the Raspberry Pi itself, with this section being via Windows. And this is what we're going to start using now. Is we're going to create a farm cctv dot is on this side, and we're also going to create a index.html on this side. So guys, this is the end of this video. This was a short one. Please like, subscribe. And next one we will finish up with creating the server, and hopefully we will be able to extend this so it can show something personal, not only the time. I'll see you guys on the next video.